6 drinks that can help you lose weight. In today's video, we are going to talk about 6 drinks that can help you lose weight. These drinks are easy to make and have many benefits for your health. Let's get started. Number 1. Green tea. The following are some explanations for why green tea is frequently linked to weight loss. Contents of green tea. Caffeine is a stimulant that can momentarily accelerate metabolism and fat burning. Green tea's caffeine content, along with other chemicals, can intensify the benefits of exercise, increasing the amount of calories expended. Green tea contains a high concentration of catechins, specifically epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which is an antioxidant. According to certain research, EGCG may improve fat oxidation and raise metabolic rate, which may aid in weight loss. Green tea can enhance the body's ability to produce heat since it possesses thermogenic qualities. This impact might aid in the fat and calorie burning processes. Enhancement of fat oxidation. Studies have suggested that green tea could assist in enhancing the body's capacity to oxidize fat. This increases the body's ability to use fat as a fuel source efficiently. Regulation of hunger. Green tea may have a slight suppressive effect on hunger, which may aid with calorie restriction overall. Number 2. Coconut water. A calorie-efficient, nutrient-rich beverage that is hydrating is coconut water. A balanced diet that includes coconut water may benefit general health and perhaps aid with weight management. Here are some explanations for why coconut water can be advantageous for losing weight. Low in calories, coconut water has fewer calories than a lot of other drinks. Selecting drinks with fewer calories might be a component of a larger plan to control caloric consumption and promote weight loss. Hydration. Maintaining adequate hydration is beneficial to general health and can aid in weight loss. A natural source of hydration, coconut water also contains electrolytes like potassium that support the body's fluid balance. Natural electrolytes, potassium, sodium, and magnesium are among the electrolytes found in coconut water. These electrolytes can help with optimum hydration, which is important for overall health and weight management, as well as replacing fluids after exercise. No added sugars. Pure coconut water is usually free of added sugars, which makes it a better substitute for many sugary commercial drinks. It is frequently advised for those who want to control their weight to consume less sugar. Packed with nutrients, calcium, magnesium, and potassium are just a few of the vital elements found in coconut water. Although these nutrients might not be directly linked to weight loss, they are crucial for general health, and effective weight control depends on a healthy body. Number 3. Ginger and lemon water. It's well known that consuming ginger and lemon water may facilitate weight loss. Several hypotheses explain why consuming ginger-lemon water could aid in weight loss. Boost metabolism. Studies have been conducted on the potential effects of ginger and lemon on metabolism. In particular, the compounds in ginger might promote thermogenesis, which might cause metabolism to briefly increase. This increased metabolic rate could help boost the burning of calories. Appetite control. Studies suggest that ginger may have effects that reduce appetite, which may help people eat fewer calories and feel less hungry. Ginger has long been used as a digestive aid, which has its benefits. Inadvertently, improved digestion may improve overall health and potentially aid with weight control. Hydration. Staying properly hydrated is good for your overall health and can help you lose weight. Lemon can enhance the taste of water, making it more appealing and encouraging more of it to be consumed. Antioxidant properties. Ginger and lemon are rich sources of antioxidants, which can aid the body in combating oxidative stress. Maintaining general health is essential to the success of any weight loss effort. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our new informative videos. Number 4. Black tea. Here are some explanations of why black tea may help with weight loss. Caffeine content. Caffeine is a naturally occurring stimulant that can momentarily raise metabolism and promote fat burning. Caffeine's modest stimulant impact can aid in burning calories. Black tea is a great source of antioxidants and polyphenol, such as flavonoids and catechins. These substances may help with weight management, among other health benefits that have been linked to them. Polyphenol have the potential to enhance metabolic functions and mitigate inflammatory responses. Decreased calorie consumption, drinking black tea rather than sweet, high-calorie beverages can help cut down on total caloric consumption. Black tea is a low-calorie, healthier alternative to sugary drinks that helps with weight management. Increased fat oxidation. Studies suggest that the polyphenol in black tea can improve the body's ability to burn fat for energy. This may help with weight loss attempts. Number 5. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has been linked to possible advantages for reducing body weight. Apple cider vinegar is believed to aid in weight loss for the following reasons. Appetite suppression. It is thought that acetic acid, a major ingredient in apple cider vinegar, has appetite suppressive properties. Eating apple cider vinegar before meals may increase feelings of fullness and, hence, lower total calorie intake. Blood sugar regulation. Research indicates that using apple cider vinegar regularly may help reduce blood sugar and enhance insulin sensitivity. Reduced fat storage and improved energy regulation can also be attributed to stable blood sugar levels. Metabolism boost. There may be a slight effect of apple cider vinegar on metabolism, which could lead to a rise in the number of calories burned. It is believed that the acetic acid content has an impact on this. Decreased fat storage. Research on animals suggests that acetic acid may help prevent the buildup of body fat. Number 6. Vegetable smoothies. For multiple reasons, adding vegetable smoothies to a weight loss strategy can be healthy and beneficial. Low in calories. In general, vegetables are high in vital elements like fiber, vitamins, and minerals but low in calories. Smoothies made primarily of vegetables are a great option for people trying to cut calories to lose weight because they can give you volume and enjoyment while consuming fewer calories. High in fiber, vegetables are a great source of dietary fiber, which helps regulate hunger and encourages a full feeling. Smoothies made with vegetables high in fiber can help promote fullness and possibly lower the chance of overindulging later in the day. Nutrient density. Packed with vitamins and minerals, vegetables offer vital nutrients at a comparatively low calorie cost. Foods high in nutrients are good for your health in general and can help you lose weight by giving your body the vitamins and minerals it needs without adding extra calories. Hydration. The high water content of the vegetables adds to the smoothie's overall hydration. In addition to being beneficial to overall health, drinking enough water can aid in weight loss by increasing feelings of fullness. Delicious and highly personalized. You can experiment with different combinations of veggies and other ingredients to create a wide variety of tasty and personalized vegetable smoothies. Flavorful additions such as spices and herbs can improve the flavor without adding added sugars or high-calorie foods. Guidelines for preparing nutritious vegetable smoothies. Incorporate a range of vegetables. Combine various vegetable varieties to guarantee a wide variety of nutrients. Leafy greens, kale, spinach, cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, and colorful veggies, carrots, bell peppers, are a few examples. Reduce the amount of added sugars. Fruit juices and sweetened yogurts are examples of added sweeteners that should be used with caution as they might raise the smoothie's calorie count. Alternatively, use tiny amounts of healthier sweeteners like honey or maple syrup, or rely on the natural sweetness of fruits. Add protein. You can improve satiety and assist muscle maintenance during weight reduction by adding a source of protein to your smoothie, such as Greek yogurt, nut butter, or protein powder. Monitor portion measurements. Smoothies made with vegetables might be a healthy option, but you should watch the amount you eat. Large smoothie consumption may be a factor in extra calories. A well-balanced diet and lifestyle should incorporate a range of complete foods, including vegetable smoothies. Add these to your normal exercise routine. Here's a list of drinks that can help you lose weight. However, it's important to note that these beverages work best when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Just a quick reminder that this video is just intended for educational purposes. If you have any medical issues, consult your doctor. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more health tips. Remember to stay hydrated and healthy until next time.